Shot of Tequila. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with restarts on walls 2 and 5 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 7. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Shot of Tequila. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to step forward with our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, but next to your left to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking back with your right foot, recover onto your left, and then step your right foot forward. We're going to do a forward samba step. So you're going to step your left foot forward. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and then recover onto your left foot. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot, rock your right foot to the right side, and recover onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your forward quarter. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. We're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross rock your left over your right, recover onto your right foot, and point your left toe to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our cross rock side rock. We're going to do our cross quarter side. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a weave with a sweep. So you're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, and sweep your right from front to back. We're now going to do a cha-cha back. So we're going to step our right foot back, step your left next to your right, step your right foot back, and sweep your left from front to back. You're now going to do a left cha-cha back, stepping back with your left foot, step your right next to your left, step back with your left, and sweep your right from front to back. We're now going to weave, crossing our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, and cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our point. You're going to do your weave with a sweep. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 half-turning voltas. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 6 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to cross your right over your left, but slightly stepping forward. From here, we're going to do a left mambo step, rocking forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, step back with your left. And then we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, and then step forward with your right foot. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our weave, so you're going to do your 2 half-turning voltas. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your forward quarter. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're going to start with your forward quarter. So it's forward quarter, right mambo step, samba step, cross rock, side rock, cross quarter side, crossing shuffle, side behind side, cross rock, point. Weave with a sweep in your cha-cha back sweep, and your weave, now your volta. Quarter cross, quarter cross, mambo step, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right, doing your forward quarter. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, when you're doing those voltas, you want to keep your feet pretty close together. So you want to take nice small steps so that you can keep these turns really close together. It will help with timing, and it's also going to help you go into those mambo in your coaster step to finish the dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. Your restarts are on walls 2 and 5. So our first time will be do wall 2. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. You're going to dance 16 counts, which is up until your cross rock point, and then you'll restart the dance. So let's dance up to that portion. Weights on your right foot, stepping with your left. So it's forward, quarter, quarter, mambo, step, samba, step, cross rock, side rock, cross, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, behind, side, cross rock, point. Right here, we're going to restart the dance all over again, doing your forward, quarter, quarter. That becomes wall 3. You'll dance wall 3 all the way through and wall 4 all the way through. Then when we come back to wall 5 or our 12 o'clock wall, we're going to dance those same 16 counts. The great thing is the rotation of the dance continues with those restarts, so you don't have to worry about wondering where you're going to be. You're just going to continue that wall rotation around. So let's dance 16 counts to the front. Weight is on your right foot doing your forward step. So it's forward, quarter, quarter, mambo, step, samba, step, cross rock, side rock, cross, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, behind, side, cross rock, point. And then you're ready to restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. That will become wall 6. You'll dance wall 6 all the way through, and then when we get to the back wall or our 6 o'clock wall for wall 7, you're going to dance the full 32 counts and then add on a tag. I'm going to turn to the front so that you can see what the tag looks like. It's just a jazz box with shimmies, and then you would restart the dance. So when we finish our dance, it's with your coaster step. So we're going to do a left starting jazz box. So you're going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right, step your left foot to the left side, and then step your right foot slightly forward, and then you're ready to start all over again with that step forward with your left. Now when we're doing that jazz box, you're going to add shimmies into your steps as you're doing each step. So you want to make sure that you're continuously shimmying your shoulders through that entire jazz box and hitting all 4 counts, and then you will restart the dance. So let's dance the 32 counts and add on our jazz box. Weight is on your right foot. You're starting with your forward, quarter, quarter. Forward, quarter, quarter, mambo, step, samba, step, cross rock, side rock, cross, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, behind, side, cross rock, point. Weave with a sweep and your cha-cha back sweep, cha-cha back sweep and your weave, now your volta. Quarter, quarter, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, mambo, step, coaster step, jazz box, 1, 2, 3, 4, ready to start the dance all over again. Now, the dance does end facing the side wall. There's no ending on the step sheet. When it comes to the end, I just make a quarter turn and face 12 o'clock, but you don't have to. You can just end facing the side wall if you would like to. You can choose. It's not listed, so that choice is yours. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from both restarts and the tag into their next walls. Weight is on your right foot. We're starting with our forward step. So it's forward, quarter, quarter, mambo step, samba step, cross rock, side rock, cross, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, behind, side, cross rock, point. Weave with a sweep and your cha-cha back sweep, cha-cha back sweep and your weave, now your volta. Quarter, quarter, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, mambo step and your coaster step. 16 counts, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Restart. Forward, quarter, quarter, mambo step, samba step, cross rock, side rock, cross, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, behind, side, cross rock, point. Weave with a sweep and your cha-cha back sweep, cha-cha back sweep and your weave, now your volta. Quarter, quarter, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, mambo step, coaster step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 16 counts. Forward, quarter, quarter, mambo step, samba step, cross rock, side rock, cross quarter side, crossing shuffle, side behind side, cross rock, point, restart. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag, forward, quarter, quarter, mambo step, samba step, cross rock, cross quarter side, crossing triple, side behind side, cross rock, point. Weave with a sweep and your cha-cha back sweep, cha-cha back sweep and your weave, now your volta. Quarter, quarter, cross, mambo step, coaster, do your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, start over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then you'll keep dancing through until the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn shot at tequila. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.